In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add empty folders on GitHub. Navigating GitHub, especially when you're new, can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it seamlessly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to incorporate empty folders into your GitHub repositories, a skill that sits at the crossroads of organizational prowess and efficient project management. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open your repository on GitHub. This means logging into GitHub and navigating to the specific project repository where you want to add your empty folder. Having your repository at your fingertips ensures you can follow along step by step with what we'll be doing. Now, once you're in your repository, the next step is to create a new file. You're going to move your cursor over to the right and click on the option that says Add File. This will open up a couple of choices for you, but what we're interested in is Create New File. Selecting this option will bring up a blank area where we can proceed to configure the structure of our empty folder. Here comes the crucial step, creating the structure for your empty folder. In the file name box that appears, you'll want to type in empty folder/getkeep. What's happening here is quite interesting. By including a /, we're effectively telling GitHub to create a new directory named empty folder. The .getkeep file is a neat little trick used frequently by developers. You see, GitHub doesn't allow you to commit completely empty folders to a repository. The .getkeep file serves as a placeholder, allowing you to include an empty directory until you're ready to populate it with content. After setting up your file and folder structure, the final step is to commit these changes to your repository. You'll find a button at the bottom labeled Commit New File, which is what you'll click on next. Committing your new file saves everything you've set up so far. It also means that GitHub officially registers your empty folder, now adorned with a .getkeep file, making it a part of your repository. And that's it. You have successfully added an empty folder to your GitHub repository. Your folder should now be listed just like any other directory in your project, ready for future use. The steps we've reviewed are not only quick and straightforward, but they're also practical for maintaining good order within your project folders. As you continue working on your projects, remember this trick whenever you need to keep your file structure organized from the get-go. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.